This is me, Shadow, and we are experiencing the Nagas Got Talent that we are going to promote. And this is a very different thing that you're going to experience. The most unbelievable thing that you know, 70%. I mean, not 70. Yes, 70%, right? Of the world is covered with water, and he's drinking half of the percent of the world's water. So here represents. Here comes our brother Bendang. So he's gonna drink a cup of water. Okay, yeah. After drinking, we'll take your interview. Chalo.
डाल इधर है second bottle
This is first bottle.
second bottle
First third bottle. That goes for two.
two and here is the third.
Here is the half. Wow! Woohoo! Can you believe this? How are you feeling?
One more bottle.
Only fine? Do you want to say something to the public? Yeah, what for you?
Drink water, that's fine.
So let's give a big hand for Brother Bendang. Thank you.
Welcome.
This is Sir Husheto signing off.